This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings and locate Secure Folder to begin setup. Sign in with your Samsung account to link device protections and enable cloud backup. Choose a lock type, such as a 6-digit PIN, pattern, or fingerprint for fast access. You can also enable two-factor authentication for stronger sign-ins. Secure Folder encrypts stored data with 256-bit AES to protect apps and files. Confirm permissions and set a backup frequency to keep copies in Samsung Cloud. Open Secure Folder and tap Add Apps to install or clone applications safely. Adding apps creates separate instances so private data stays sandboxed from your main profile. Use Add Files to import images, documents, and videos into Secure Folder storage. When moving items, choose Keep Originals or Delete Originals to control duplicates. Enable Auto Backup to Samsung Cloud and set a 5 GB quota for encrypted backups. Also set Auto Lock to engage after 5 minutes of inactivity for extra protection. Open Secure Folder settings to change lock types, enable biometrics, or adjust auto lock timing. Do not share your PIN or pattern and periodically change it for improved security. Use the share or export features carefully and only send files through encrypted apps to trusted recipients. If your phone is lost, use Find My Mobile to remotely lock or wipe Secure Folder content immediately. Remember that a factory reset or uninstall will permanently delete encrypted files if no backup exists. Regularly update your device and backup encrypted data to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.